And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a zoom cut and how to create a manual zoom transition in Premiere Pro. I've got these two video files. You will find them via description link below. It doesn't matter what it is, I just picked two random clips. We can use a cross dissolve, which would create this typical zoom transition. I'll center it at the cut. I've already made a video tutorial about that. You'll find that in my Premiere Pro playlist on my channel. Let us now create a zoom cut. I'll press C for the cut tool and I cut the second clip. And I want to have the center element of the sequence as my zoom. So I'll scale it up around 5 times. And I want to change the position so that the car is in the center. Resolution of the clip isn't the best, but it is fine to show you the effect. So you've got the normal scaling, then it is zoomed, and we zoom out again. Keep in mind it's not a real zoom, it's just up and down scaling, but it creates the same effect as zooming. Now let me show you how to create a manual zoom transition. So we've already used the typical cross zoom effect. If we want to recreate that manually, I'll just create keyframes under scaling, and I want to have the first one at the regular size and the second keyframe it's the maximum scale, so the animation goes from a normal size up to the set scale. Now it's linearly. When I right click, I can ease it out and ease it in. And as I create more like a curve, so it ramps up and down, it creates a smoother effect. Most of the time when I use that effect, you want to add the ease in and ease out. Now go to the second clip. We need 2 keyframes more. But this time it's reversed. So the first keyframe, it needs to be the higher scale. Let me go up 10 times. The second one, it has the normal scaling, and now I need to first ease out and ease in. You can see the position isn't the best, so I drag the keyframes around so that it's not that quick. That looks better, and now I'll add a different position so that I have the car in center. Just start an animation there as well. You've got the same keyframes as with the scaling, and for the first one I need to change it so that the car is in center. And this is how you can create a manual cross zoom effect. It gives you a little bit more freedom to adjust it. And I wanted to show you the difference between this zoom transition and the zoom cut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.